Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will be showing how to remove someone from Snapchat group. So, head over to your Snapchat app, then go to Message. Now as you can see, for example, the new group chat. So, tap on the profile icon and then as you can see, Connor, Vinicius, and Blair are my friends on this group chat. So if you want to remove someone, like for example, I want to remove Connor. So tap and hold this profile. Then as you can see, the option at the top, which is the remove from group. So tap on that. So as you can see here, Connor and other group members will know that you removed them from this group. So tap on remove Connor. And that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.